everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating the home of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor space, create stunning visual interest, and even add some practicality to your green oasis, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of garden fence and edging design, a crucial element that can truly transform the look and feel of your garden. So what exactly do we mean by garden fence and edging design? At its core, garden fence and edging design is about creating intentional boundaries and visual transitions within your landscape. Fences, of course, provide privacy, security, and a backdrop for your plants, while garden edging defines pathways, flower beds, and lawns, preventing materials like mulch or soil from spilling over, and giving your garden a neat, manicured appearance. Together, they act as the architectural framework for your outdoor living space, guiding the eye and organizing your planting schemes. It's about more than just putting up a barrier. It's about thoughtful integration that enhances the overall beauty and functionality of your garden. Now for the fun part. How do you design your garden fence and edging to look truly beautiful? It all starts with understanding your garden style and your personal preferences. Consider the overall architectural style of your home. A rustic farmhouse might call for a natural wood fence, while a modern home could be complemented by sleek metal or concrete edging. Think about the purpose of your fence or edging. Is it for privacy, purely decorative, or to define a specific area? Harmonize your materials and colors with your existing landscape elements. For example, if you have warm-toned pavers, a complementary wooden fence or reddish-brown edging would look cohesive. Don't forget the power of plants. Incorporate climbing vines on fences, or use low-growing plants to soften the lines of your edging, creating a seamless transition between your hardscaping and softscaping. Experiment with different heights, textures, and patterns to add visual interest and create a truly unique and inviting outdoor space. When it comes to materials, the options are vast and varied, each offering unique aesthetics and benefits. Let's explore some of the best materials for garden fence and edging design. First, wood. A timeless and versatile choice, wood offers natural warmth and can be adapted to various styles. From traditional picket fences to modern slatted designs, wood is durable and easily customizable with stains or paints. Second, metal like steel, aluminum, or wrought iron provides a sleek, modern, and often industrial look. Metal edging is incredibly durable and low maintenance, while metal fences offer strength and can be intricately designed for elegance. Third, stone or concrete. Ideal for a natural, robust, and long-lasting border. Stone or concrete blocks can create strong, defined edges and retaining walls, offering excellent durability and a classic aesthetic. Fourth, composite materials. Made from recycled plastics and wood fibers, composite materials offer the look of wood without the maintenance. They are resistant to rot, pests, and fading, making them a durable and eco-friendly option. Fifth, brick. Classic and charming, bricks provide a traditional and sturdy edging solution. They are durable and can be laid in various patterns to add visual interest. Sixth, woven willow or hazel. For a rustic, natural, and charming look, woven branches create a soft, organic border that blends beautifully with informal garden styles. Seventh, recycled materials such as plastic lumber or glass bottles. An eco-conscious choice that can add a unique and creative touch to your garden. These materials are often durable and require minimal maintenance. Now let's get into some real inspiration. We've handpicked our top 10 best garden fence and edging design ideas to spark your creativity. Let's dive in. One, elegant white picket fence adorned with climbing pink roses. A quintessential American garden scene comes alive with an elegant white picket fence serving as a beautiful boundary, completely enveloped by an abundance of vibrant pink climbing roses. The profusion of blossoms creates a stunning visual display, transforming a simple fence into a living work of art. Below the roses, a border of purple lavender and bright green ground cover adds layers of color and texture, enhancing the charm. This design perfectly illustrates how integrating planting with a classic fence can create a truly romantic and inviting garden space that exudes curb appeal. 2. Modern horizontal slat fence with elegant black metal edging. This contemporary garden showcases a sophisticated horizontal slat fence in a natural wood finish, providing a clean and private backdrop. Complementing this, a sleek black metal edging with an intricate, laser-cut pattern beautifully defines the lush green lawn from a border of meticulously shaped, spherical shrubs and ornamental grasses. The combination of the warm wood, the dark, decorative metal, and the vibrant greenery creates a harmonious and visually striking modern landscape, demonstrating how strong design elements can elevate an outdoor space. 3. Flexible metal strip edging for curved garden beds. This garden design highlights the versatility of flexible metal strip edging, used here to create a graceful undulating border between a neatly trimmed lawn and a flourishing flower bed. The dark, subtle edging provides a clean line that allows the vibrant array of colorful flowers, including petunias, pansies, and impatiens in shades of pink, purple, and white, to truly stand out. Behind the flowers, a dense, manicured hedge offers a lush green backdrop, with a modern garden spotlight adding a touch of evening elegance, showcasing a practical yet beautiful edging solution. 4. White picket fence archway with climbing vines and lush borders. This enchanting garden features a classic white picket fence that forms a picturesque boundary, punctuated by a grand white archway draped in lush climbing vines. The fence itself is beautifully adorned with a rich assortment of purple and white flowering plants at its base, creating a soft and welcoming entrance. Beyond the arch, a stone pathway leads through a tunnel of greenery, inviting visitors further into the garden. This design exemplifies how a fence can be both a practical barrier and a key decorative element, enhancing curb appeal and creating a fairy tale-like atmosphere. 5. Charming white picket edging for defined flower beds. This delightful image features a charming white picket fence-style edging, used to create a clear and aesthetically pleasing boundary for a vibrant flower bed. The bright yellow marigolds and red foliage plants are neatly contained within the crisp white border, which creates a striking contrast against the dark soil and green lawn. This type of low-height edging is perfect for adding a touch of classic garden charm, providing a decorative frame for your floral displays while maintaining a distinct separation between different garden zones, even in a more informal setting. 6. Corten steel terraced edging with modern minimalist planting. A striking and contemporary garden design featuring bold corten steel terraced edging that creates distinct levels and visual interest. The rusted, earthy tones of the corten steel perfectly complement the modern aesthetic, defining different zones including a gravel bed with drought-tolerant cacti and spiky grasses, and a raised lawn area. A minimalist water feature adds a focal point, while the overall design demonstrates how strong, architectural edging materials can be used to create a sophisticated and low-maintenance landscape, particularly well-suited for urban or modern homes. 7. Rustic log roll edging with cheerful mixed plantings. Embrace a rustic and natural aesthetic with this charming log roll edging. Varied heights of wooden logs are installed vertically, creating an informal yet effective barrier between the lawn and a vibrant, overflowing flower bed. The bright yellow and red petunias, along with purple pansies and other mixed annuals, spill over the top of the logs, softening the edge and creating a cottage garden feel. This simple yet effective edging solution is perfect for adding organic texture and defining informal planting areas with a warm, earthy appeal. 8. Classic vertical board fence with vibrant floral borders. A quintessential garden scene featuring a tall, classic vertical board fence with decorative finials, crafted from warm-toned timber. This fence provides a sturdy and traditional boundary, against which a vibrant and well-maintained flower bed thrives. The border is bursting with an array of colorful blooms, including climbing roses, petunias, and various perennials, creating a lively contrast against the solid wood. The careful arrangement of flowers and shrubs softens the fence line, demonstrating a timeless approach to garden design that prioritizes both structure and abundant natural beauty. 9. Hand-woven willow edging for a natural organic border. This unique garden border features a beautiful hand-woven willow edging, creating an incredibly natural and organic transition between the grassy area and a lush, informal planting bed. The intricate weaving of the brown willow branches provides a rustic and charming aesthetic that blends seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. This type of edging is perfect for cottage gardens, eco-friendly designs, or anyone looking to add a textural, artisanal touch that feels completely at home within a natural landscape, offering a soft yet defined boundary. 10. Tiered block retaining wall with lush tropical planting. A striking example of modern landscape design. This garden features a dark, multi-tiered block retaining wall that not only creates a dramatic visual feature, but also effectively manages different elevations. The step design is cleverly utilized to showcase a variety of tropical and subtropical plants, including bold leaf species and Dracaena, all mulched with a rich reddish-brown bark. This robust and contemporary solution seamlessly integrates the plant beds with the large, flat lawn, and is beautifully complemented by a tall, dark corrugated fence providing a strong backdrop and privacy. And there you have it, 10 incredible garden fence and edging design ideas that can truly elevate your outdoor space. From the sleek lines of modern metal to the timeless charm of a white picket fence, and from robust retaining walls to subtle decorative borders, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the best design is one that reflects your personal style, meets your practical needs, and harmonizes with your home's architecture. We hope this video has inspired you to think creatively about your own garden boundaries. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to create the garden of your dreams. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy gardening!